Welcome to the second section of the course. In the previous section, we set up an Ionic 2 project and we learn how to serve it. In this section, we will learn to create pages and navigate between them. In the first video, we will create a new page and add that to the already existing menu. Later, we will learn about the Ionic navigation concept and the navigation bar. So let's start by creating the new search page. Thankfully, the Ionic CLI makes that really easy for us. Simply switch to the console and use Ionic generate page and the name of the page, in our case search. And you can see that 3 new files have been created, one for each style, template, and JavaScript code. Let's start by looking at the HTML file. As you can see, it is made of Ionic components and directives. Let's make the navbar follow the other views by adding a button with the toggle menu directive and an icon within. By the way, Ionic Generate has a page side menu template, which will do exactly this in the future, but it currently isn't working. Alright, let's switch to the JavaScript code, and you can see that a new class has been created called Search. I like to rename that to Search Page for clarity reasons. That class is decorated with add_page. Decorators basically add metadata to classes. Page is an Ionic specific decorator, as you can see from the import here. That decorator does a few things. We'll get more into details throughout the course, but quite importantly, it makes this class represent a page. And the bare minimum a page needs is a template. We point to the HTML file with the template URL value here. And that's all it takes to create a simple page. Of course, it's quite empty for now, and we actually can't access it, so let's take care of that. We know that our app has a menu which gets created within the app.js file. Let's open app.js, and you can see here this.pages and a list, which is actually used to create the menu. As we will see in the next video, in Ionic 2, navigation is handled via pages themselves, not using a URL or a state. So to add our page to the menu, we'll need to import our new page, import search page from /pages/search/search, and let's add that to the list of pages. We add an object with a name search and component search page. Our search page here is the class itself, not a string. Let's see how that turns out in the served app. Opening the menu now shows 4 items, the last one being search, and if we click on that, we get redirected to our new page. So creating a new page was really easy thanks to the Ionic generator, and we simply used what already existed on the menu to enable navigation to that new page.